The development of powerful filter and watercourse pumps by OASE has reached a new height. The AquaMax Eco Expert is a real masterpiece. It combines enormous power with a remarkable energy efficiency that makes it the best eco large volume pump around. The high quality and extremely robust housing made from stainless steel fulfills all requirements in and around the garden pond. Even temperatures down to -20 degrees can't harm the pump. The distinctive design makes it unique. The flow rate of the AquaMax Eco Expert is up to 26,000 litres per hour. And that is with a maximum power consumption of only 440 watts. Coarse debris particles of up to 11 mm in size are easily handled. It has the patented, optional seasonal flow control, which adapts the flow rate of the pump to the seasonal needs of the pond. Pumps also run extremely quietly when dry installed. Here, the new AquaMax Eco Expert models are a powerful force with economical pump technology, whether placed in the pond or dry installed. The new AquaMax Eco Expert can be perfectly and easily controlled by the professional AquaMax Eco Control from OASE. Using the DMX RDM connection, you can use it to regulate the performance of the pump easily. The technology is well protected in an IP44 rated housing. With its multifunctional fastening, the AquaMax Eco Control can be installed directly on the pump, with a spike at the edge of the pond, or onto a wall. The AquaMax Eco Control requires no separate power supply. Alternatively, the pump can be controlled by the new Insignia FM Master WLAN. The new AquaMax Eco Expert by OASE. Maximum pump power for pond filter systems, streams or waterfalls with minimal energy consumption. Made in Germany.